Mom, I like the rain.
Me too, sweetie.
Mom, wait! Did you hear that?
Hear what, honey?
A small sound. Listen, Mom. It is coming from the park. Let us look.
Be careful, the grass is wet.
There, under the bench. Oh, a little cat. She is wet and cold.
Poor little thing. She is scared.
What do we do, Mom?
Here, use my scarf. It is warm and soft.
Thank you, Mom. It is okay, little cat. Do not be scared. Mom, can we take her home, please?
Yes, quickly, let us go.
Hey, you are back early. What is that?
Dad, look, we found her.
She was alone in the park, under a bench.
Oh, the poor little thing.
A kitten! A kitten! Can I see her, can I?
Yes, but be very gentle.
Let us put her on a warm towel.
She is so tiny. Dad, can we keep her, please?
Wait, son. Someone may be looking for her. Maybe she has a home.
Hi, little cat. Do not be afraid. Look! She has a small thing on her neck.
It is a tag. There is a phone number on it.
She has a family.
I will call her Cookie for now. She looks like a cookie.
Let us dry her gently. She is still cold.
I will call the number. Do not worry, son.
Hello? Yes, we found a small ginger cat. Yes, she is safe.
She is going home, is she not? Yes, sweetie. Her family misses her.
Hello. Are you here for the cat?
Oh, yes, thank you. I have looked everywhere. Thank you.
Please come in. She is right here.
Oh, my little Daisy.
There you are, my sweet girl. I missed you so much.
Young man, you have a kind heart. Thank you.
I am happy she is safe. Take good care of her.
I will. Goodbye, sweet boy.
I am proud of you, sweetie.
You did a wonderful thing today.
Helping someone find their home feels really good.